To create a Basil account as a client or team member, first refer to the invitation that states you've been shared a workspace or have been invited as a team member on Basil. The email would have been sent from noreply@coraltreetech.com. Check your spam and junk folders if you don't see it, or ask the account owner to resend the invitation. Click the link in the email to be sent to the registration webpage. Fill out the basic information, click the CAPTCHA checkbox, and click Register. You will get an email with a 6-digit verification code. Type that code into the verification code box. Then log in with the credentials you just created. Review the terms of service and click Accept. Enter additional account information. The eSign PIN will be used whenever you are invited to securely sign a document. Click Continue and your account is now created. The next screen will show your Basil dashboard. This is what you'll see every time you log into the Basil website. You can now access workspaces that you've been invited to. You can also begin to upload files and folders, edit and sign documents, and complete project tasks that may have been assigned to you in your Basil account.